Hi folks, I'm going to show you a little bit about Gale Academic OneFile today. It's one of the new databases with King County Library System, so we're just going to dig into a little bit. This is our home page. This is where our basic searches are done, but I really want to dig into the advanced search features here with Gale Academic OneFile. Just going to show you this page. Advanced searching, we're going to be doing our searching using fields. Gale is really great. They define what the field means. Keyword, they point out, does not search the entire document. So if you're doing keyword, that's great. However, if you do want to search the entire document, that is a field option. So there's that. We do use Boolean operators. There's some great search tips right down here if you're a little bit rusty on your Booleans. So we can scroll down and see in some pretty clear language how to use those. Proximity is a great one that I know some people don't use very often, so if you need a refresher on that. We do want to use phrases in quotation marks when we're searching, and there are some interesting ways to use wildcards with Gale Academic OneFile as well. So make sure you take a look at that. If you have additional questions when you're searching, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, we have a help box here, which is also super great. If you click view all topics, we have a table of contents here that you can link to kind of learn a little bit more. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to follow and understand. So definitely if you are questioning how to use Gale effectively, I highly recommend digging into that. So let's take a look here. When we're searching in the advanced search, we have some limiters that we can use right off the bat. This full text feature is default clicked already for you. So if that's something you're interested in, you can do that or unclick it if you want to search more than just full text. Also publication date right away. We can search between two dates, or we can stay at all dates. We have some additional filters here. So let's just run a really quick search. Oops, we already messed up. So I'm going to do social media in quotes here. I'm going to nest it nicely in my parentheses. We're also going to use the and Boolean here. If we wanted to change it, we could do that. Notice I don't have to capitalize my Booleans. Gale understands that they're Booleans despite being uncapitalized. So here I have my first search. I have retrieved academic journals. That's the default for Academic OneFile to show you academic journals first. If you want a different document type, you can select it along the top up here. So let's see. We have full text selected. We have 1,028 retrieved items, so those are all my documents. If I wanted to further filter, I can select those over here. Something that's really convenient about Gale is once I find my items here, if I want to narrow it down even further, I can search within right here. So if I want to add a search term to my search here, I'm going to type in library or librarian. I've used some truncation here. And so I'm going to further narrow my search using that. And so you see I brought it down to 273 items. Note that when I do search within, it's going to search the entire document for that term. If we don't want it to search the entire document, we have this handy revise search, and that's going to bring us back to our advanced search homepage with this filled in. And if I wanted to change the field that I'm searching that in, I can go ahead and do that here and run that search again. And so this time I brought it down to 14 academic articles. I could even further narrow it by checking that peer reviewed. And I have some great items here that I can use that are related to my topic. I'm going to go ahead and select one of these really quick and show you that Gale is offering us some more items that it has perceived to be similar to the item that we're researching. And if we want to dive in a little bit more to related subjects, we can or select one of those over here. Our search terms are highlighted in red over here so we can see how relevant our search is as well as we scroll through that document. And so those are just a couple of features to get us started on advanced search in Gale Academic OneFile. I hope you found this helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.